Oh, nice. Dangerous.
Okay, the vacuum can't hurt you. Oh God, I hate this part. Okay, take your sword in your hand. Bring it above your shoulders. With this strike, you will strike fear into every enemy. Are you ready?
Maybe you should stand back. I don't wanna.
No, I've got impenetrable armor.
Okay,
It won't be a problem.
You can't cut it down when I'm up here. Just try it.
Look! Sarah? Was it Sarah?
Yes.
Sarah,
Yes.
we have a permit to cut down this tree.
You don't have a permit to murder me.
Sarah,
Yes.
aren't you, don't you need to go to the washroom? Or maybe you're hungry?
I just went.
Ew.
I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to fail. I didn't.
It's okay.
Hey, we're all here for you.
And we all fail sometimes. It's an important part of the growth process.
You just did it on national television, and
Do you think they noticed?
No.
they definitely did.
What am I gonna do?
You know what? You just gotta pick yourself up by your bootstraps.
Have you ever? I mean, this is just a suggestion, but there's always plastic surgery.
And Mike, this is your real dad and mom.
It's so good to meet you, man.
Lovely to meet you too.
Wow, where have you been all my life?
Let's ask the audience here on the Maury Povich show what we think your adopted mom is gonna do now that she knows who your real parents are.
Oh, I thought we were asking the audience.
We are. I'll go ask the audience.
But my face, it's how.
Well, I'm just saying that, like, the problem here is that everybody has seen your mistake, and everybody knows your face and your name, but you can fix that.
If I just get rid of my face?
Yeah, exactly.
Take it off.
Exactly.
If I just take off my face?
Oh, no, not here.
Not here? Oh, I'll take it off in the green room? Okay.
Yeah. All right. So,
It's awfully cold, Sarah.
It's a little chilly.
you can come down at any time. We're building a nice warm fire that you could be warming yourself up at.
Oh, it's super nice and warm, Sarah. You just get down from the tree.
You guys got marshmallows or?
Yes.
Yeah. And chocolate.
Yep.
And graham crackers.
And extra blankets.
Pretty hungry.
And we have a flushable toilet.
You're wounded.
Yeah, you could say that.
I thought this battle would go better for the both of us. After teaching you my power move, maybe I failed as a teacher.
Well, I mean, with one arm, I can't really do your power move anymore. So, yeah.
You know what? You're so right. It's my time to go out there alone. You go save yourself. I will run into the battle for Narnia!
Narnia! Oh, man. Oh, such a kink in my arm from working this stupid vacuum cleaner. It's so heavy. Okay. The vacuum cleaner can't hurt me, and neither can the stairs. Upstairs, 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 upstairs!